Hey guys, what's up? Meet PixArt, an all-in-one photo editing app where you get everything from cropping, manual adjustments like brightness, contrast, clarity, saturation, etc. to AI tools like AI Replace. You can also apply various effects, retouch your photos any way you like with numerous customization options, add stickers, insert text, layer additional images, and do much more with over 50 photo editing tools at your disposal. The second app is Photo Editor Pro. It's a completely free app where you can apply beautiful filters, adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, colors, etc. You also get to add stickers, text, blur, and more. The last app is Snapseed 4.0 developed by Google. It is completely free to use with absolutely no ads and zero watermarks. It offers advanced tools like tune image, selective editing, healing, and precise color adjustments. You can crop, rotate, apply stunning styles, and fine-tune every detail of your image with over 30 professional tools right at your fingertips. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.